Hello viewers, Microsoft has released a new optional bug fix update for Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2, known as KB5067036. The update was rolled out yesterday in my region. Since it's an optional update, you don't need to install it unless you have the latest update as soon as they are available. Option turn on in that case it installed automatically if you skip it. Most of the fixes and improvements will arrive with next month Patch Tuesday security update on the second Tuesday of November. Microsoft has slightly changed how this update appear on the update history page. Previously it had a longer name, but now it's simply called preview update. After installing it, the OS build number will increase to 226.21.719 for version 25H2 and 226.31.7019 for version 24H2. Before talking about what's new, a quick note: the update failed to install the first time on my device and only worked on the second attempt after a restart. After installation, it re-downloaded and installed again, so you might also face installation issue. This is the first time I have had such a problem with updates on this device, but it could just be a local issue. Now let's go through what's new. Microsoft has added 20 new features, which is two fewer than in the final preview version, but still a lot of changes. Feature for Copilot Plus PC. Most of the first set of features are for Copilot Plus PC only. These are rolled out gradually. A new prompt box has been added to click to do, making Copilot interaction faster and smoother. You can now use Copilot to translate on-screen text with a single click. Click to do can convert until like length, area, temperature, and speed. You can open click to do by pressing and holding two fingers on the touch screen. You can select object using freeform or rectangle select. Microsoft 365 persona card now appear and click to do. New visual highlights make items like email and tablets stand out. A bug was fixed where click to do would open unexpectedly when pressing Ctrl plus P. In File Explorer Home, when hovering over a file, you will now see quick action like open file location and ask Copilot. And accessibility voice assist, there are 3 new features. Fluid detection for smoother voice typing. You can set a delay before a voice command is executed. Japanese language is now supported. Also, a fix was made for any issue where voice assist stopped working with error 9001. The setting agent now supports French or Copilot Plus PC, and Windows search has been improved, though Microsoft has not said exactly how. New feature for all Windows 11 PC. Now for everyone, not just Copilot Plus devices. Here what's new. A new redesigned start menu is rolled out gradually. It has a scrollable all section, category and grid views, and a responsive layout that adjusts to your screen size. Large screens will show more pen apps and recommendation. A new phone link button appears next to search, letting you expand or collapse content for your connected phone. File Explorer update. Recommended files are now available for personal and local account. Storage provider API now let cloud providers integrate directly with File Explorer Home. Fix several context menu issue like show more option flickering. Fix a problem where opening a folder like download from another app would reset custom view setting. Fixed an issue where the File Explorer window stopped responding after using the context menu. Fix a bug that caused large archives over 1.5 GB to fail extraction with error 0x80FFF. Fixed a case where File Explorer became unresponsive when opening Home. Other improvement: new battery icon now appear on the lock screen showing battery percentage and color indicators. A new Microsoft 365 Copilot page has been added to a Get Started experience for user with active 365 subscription. And setting account, the section formerly called email and account is now your accounts. The system tray battery icon has been updated for clear visibility. Administration protection now helps secure admin rights. Fix and minor updates. Fix an issue where certain apps froze when opening the open or save dialog. Improve taskbar performance when walking your PC from sleep. Fixed a task manager issue where some apps didn't group correctly with their processes. Fix issue causing update and shutdown to fail to power up the PC. Fix an issue that caused Windows update to fail with error 0x80F0983. Fixed a problem where protected content playback failed after installing KB5064081. These are the main changes and improvement in KB5067036 for Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.